Choosing between a nonprofit and a social enterprise changes how you fund your mission. Let's look at the differences. Both models aim to solve problems, but their financial engines and legal structures are fundamentally different. Nonprofits operate on donations and grants, while social enterprises operate as businesses that prioritize social goals alongside profit. This chart shows the reliance on donations. Nonprofits rely heavily on external gifts, whereas social enterprises thrive on sales. A nonprofit is the right path if your goal is purely charitable and you rely on the generosity of donors to survive. Choose a social enterprise if you have a viable product that can sustain your impact without constant fundraising. Regardless of the structure, transparency is non-negotiable. You are always accountable to the community you serve. Remember, the legal structure is just a tool. Build the one that fits your revenue engine best. Whether you choose a nonprofit or a business, the impact matters most. Subscribe for more money basics.